Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you an RC robot. Yeah, this is an awesome toy, I think. It's made by ANTAPRCIS. It's a robot toy gift for kids. And adult, of course, because I am an adult and I like this too. It is an RC gesture controlled robot, programmable with infrared controller and LED eyes. It's perfect as birthday gift for boys and girls and adults, of course. We can perform a gesture control. The robot toy can be controlled by our gesture commands. The sensor receiver built in the chest will respond quickly according to our various commands. The robot toy can sing 5 songs with slow movement and highlight flashing, then dance with the music. The smart robot toy has a one-button programming function that can demonstrate a set of actions that child enters through the remote control and can input up to 50 motion commands so that kids can play with their own imagination. After the patrol function is activated, the fun robot toy will move to observe. With its built-in sensor, the intelligent robot can detect and avoid obstacles encountered to avoid potential collisions. The robot can play for 60 minutes after charging for about 120 minutes. It uses a 5-volt output charger with the included USB cable to charge the robot itself. So, for example, you can use your smartphone power supply for it, or another own computer, for example. The ANTAPRCIS remote control robot is made of non-toxic, eco-friendly ABS plastic to achieve long-lasting durability and health safety. The robot reacts according to hand gesture commands to move forward, backwards, left, and right. Wheel-enhanced base allows the robot to self-balance and move agilely and swiftly around obstacles for years of exciting play. The robot can also perform functions like dancing, driving, singing, narrating, and slow walks. Of course, for the remote, you will need 2 AA batteries, but the built-in battery of the RC robot itself can reload by using the USB cable, of course. That's all what you will need. 2 1.5 volt AA batteries. It's really easy to get this power into the remote. Open the battery cover, then load 2 1.5 volt AA batteries, and job's done. After this, replace them if they're discharged, of course, but then you have to close the cover and job's done. It's really easy to control. You have a remote control function. Slide forward, this is the upper key. Underneath is the slide backward key. Then turn left, turn right, walk forward, walk backward. Then volume up, volume down. Stop button, that means everything is stopped immediately. Then the demonstration mode, demo, a patrol mode, then it works around you. It will perform a patrol, then dance. This is awesome. Yeah, the robot will dance for you. Music mode, the robot will sing for you and dance. The program, you can push the program button and then program by using the slide forward, slide backward, etc. buttons to program up to 50 commands. And 15, that is on the right side bottom, mechanical language. This is really awesome. It's really awesome to play with it because it's so easy. You can use your hand. If you're going in front of it, turn the hand left, then it will go left. Turn the hand in front of the robot to the right side and it will turn to right. If you're using a gesture to move it from the robot to you. That means forward, and backward is if you're going to push in front of the of this robot, and he will go backward. Really, really awesome. I like it so much. It is so nice. You have 5 levels of volume: volume up and volume down. Stop, program, dance. That this dance button will start a singing performance, really, and a dance performance. You have 3 clips in it. Let's dance together. Where is the applause? Dance clip 2 is Let's Rock and Roll music. It's so cool. And dancing clip number 3 is Shake Your Body music, baby. Then the petrol mode is really awesome. The robot will say, I'm very happy today. Let's go on petrol. Please follow me. Then it will play music while moving forward and have a petrol. Obstacle avoidance. In the petrol mode, once detecting obstacles in the way, the robot will receive message as reminding and say, oh no, it is rubbish in the way. Let's go by other way. Don't stand in my way, please. Then it will move backward and turn left or right to avoid obstacles. The petrol mode will last for about 90 seconds and end with the words, my body, I have a rest. I will see you next time. Then, of course, demonstration mode. Then receive your order, immediately execute it, and move and dance and play music and speak mechanical language, etc. This is the demonstration mode. Then you have so much fun with it. It's so cute. It looks so nice, and it is a buddy for you. It will be helps you to to get bored. Really awesome device. I like it really much. This is state of the art with a cheap price. It's not so expensive, but it's awesome for kids out there. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. Indeed.
Oh, just relax. Listen to the music.
Ist das geil. Das fällt nicht um.
My friend, it was so nice to have met you. Stand in my way, please. I'm very happy today. Let's go on patrol. Please follow me. Stand in my way. Slide forward. Stop. Turn right. Slide forward. Let's dance together.
Wie schon fahren. Ist das cool? Ist das cool.
Execute program. Slide forward. Turn left. Turn right. Slide backward. Forward. Backward.